Kung naiinip ka na sa sagot ni Lord sa mga panalangin mo, this verse is for you. The Lord isn't really being slow about His promise, as some people think. No, He is being patient for your sake. He does not want anyone to be destroyed, but wants everyone to repent. This is from 2 Peter chapter 3 verse 9. I came across this verse nung isang gabi na talaga namang nasasaktan ako and very frustrated to the point that I messaged a good friend of mine asking her to pray for me kasi I've been thinking negative thoughts, yung talagang naiiyak na ako sa sama ng loob. And after talking to that friend, I opened my Bible app and this verse came in. Ito talaga yung klarong-klarong message na para bang sinasabi ni Lord na kumalma ka lang, chill ka lang, ako nang bahala sa'yo. So, kung napanghihinaan ka ng loob at talagang naiinip ngayon kasi ang tagal ni Lord sumagot, know na pinapakinggan niya lahat ng prayers natin at ibibigay niya yung ipinagdadasal mo sa tamang paraan at tamang panahon.